Hello student of class 12, this is the continuation video of the 3D plane. Here the sum is from a point P, A, B, C, perpendiculars PL, PM and PN are drawn to XY plane, YZ plane and ZX plane. Find the equation of the plane passing through L, M, N. We have to find the equation of the plane through L, M and N. Okay. As per question, it is clear that L, M, N are lie on XY plane. That means L lie on XY plane, M lie on YZ plane and N lie on the point N lies on ZX plane. Okay. So respective coordinates of L, that is XY plane, that is AB 0 and M equal to YZ, so YZ BC 0 and N ZX, so this is okay, coordinate of L, M and N. I will get the equation of the plane through the point L, M, N. I can write it in this way: x minus a, y minus b, z minus 0. A minus a, minus b minus 0 minus 0, b 0, c, c equal to 0. This is the required equation of the plane passing through three given points. I can write it in this way: c minus 0 and c minus 0. So this equal to x minus a, y minus b, z minus a 0 0 minus b c c, this equal to 0 0 expanding by first column, we can write it bc x minus a, y minus b plus ac plus abz, this equal to 0. So bcx minus abc plus acy minus acb plus abz, this equal to 0. bcx plus acy plus abz equal to 2abc. Divide whole portion by abc, abc, abc and abc. I will get x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 2. This is the required equation of the plane passing through L, M and N. Okay. Second question is, prove that the equation of the plane passing through the point -1, 3, 2 passing through this point passing through this point and perpendicular to the plane, x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 5 and 3x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 8 is 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 8 equal to 0. We have to show this from this condition. The plane is passing through this point and perpendicular to these two planes. Okay. Let the equation of the plane be a x plus 1 plus b y minus 3 plus c z minus 2 equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant, and second thing is a plus 2b plus 2c equal to 0 and 3a plus 3b plus 3c this equal to 0. Eliminating a, b, c from these three equations, this is first one, this is second one and this is third one, we will get the required equation of the plane. Earlier I have discussed the two methods. Here I use only one method. This method is x plus 1, y minus 3 and z minus 2, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Sorry, this is 2, this is 2c, 3a, 3b plus 2c. Okay, 1, 2, 2 and determinant of this equal to 0. From here I will get, from here I will get 6 minus 6, 3, 3, this is 2. So 4 minus 6 that is minus 2 into x plus 1, y minus 3, 2 minus 3 that is minus 1 plus 1, z minus 2, 3 minus 6 that is minus 3, this equal to 0. Minus 2x plus y minus 3z. This is 2 minus 6 that is minus 4 that is plus 4, 4y plus 4y minus 3z, minus 2 minus 12 plus 6, this is equal to 0. So 2x minus 4y minus 3z, this is minus 14 plus 6 that is minus 8 plus 8, this is equal to 0. 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 8 equal to 0 is the required equation of the plane. Proved. Hence proved. Okay. I am ending here.